P3 Campus is an app that you can download, and it serves as Crime Stoppers here on the school district school grounds for any school within TCISD's jurisdiction. When a student makes a report, it comes directly to me, and I disseminate it just depending on what campus it's involving to whatever deputy works that campus. The information that you should put in the report is the suspect's name, depending on what kind of report it is. If you're telling me they have any kind of narcotics on them, tobacco, anything like that, you should put that in the report and where you believe it's located. Do not include your name though. You should include a rough time of when it occurred. You can use class periods or use the time of day. That's about it. As long as I like for people to include their grade levels and what school it's at too, so that we can narrow down where we need to be looking. They should know that it's an anonymous app. If you make a report, as long as you don't put your name in the body of the report, we don't know who you are. I won't know who you are. The only person that knows you've made that report is you. Another thing that I like to put out there is that you can make money off of this app. We do give rewards. Last year, I paid out $1,320 in rewards.